Hi, welcome to my class. I am Teacher Zell, and we're going to have our new lesson for today. But before I proceed, may I know what's your name? Oh, your name is Alex, right? Okay, hi again, Alex. I am again Teacher Zell, and we're going to learn if can all birds fly? Do you like birds, Alex? Oh, that's great, Alex. So, first, we're going to have an activity. You're going to look at the picture, Alex, and you're going to find the animals that you like. So, what animals do you like? There are eight animals in the picture, and you're going to tell me what animals do you like. So, can you please tell me what animal is it, Alex? It's a dog. That's great, Alex. I also have here a picture of a dog. This is a dog. So you like dog. How about cats? Oh, that's great. So you also like cats. So we also have monkey on the picture. Do you like monkey? Oh, I see. You don't like monkey. All right. Thank you for your answers, Alex. So by the way, the first bird that's in the picture right now is a magpie. That's great. So again, what bird is it? It's a magpie. Can you please say that name again? A magpie. Again? All right. Great job. So it's a magpie. So this is a magpie. Again, can you please say that one, Alex? This is a magpie. Again? All right, great job. Excellent. So that's a picture of a magpie. So, can you please count if how many magpies are there, Alex? Again, there are. All right, great job. So there are two magpies that you can see in the picture. So, magpies are birds. So, can you please tell that one again, Alex? Magpies are birds. Again, it's a. All right, magpies are birds. Great job. So, we have here another picture. So, you're going to look at the picture right now, Alex. And can you please count if how many magpies are there? So you can take your time right now and count if how many magpies and tell me the number of the magpies. Okay, take your time now. Okay, again, how many magpies are there? You can actually click and find all the magpies. So there are, again, Alex. All right, very good. So you deserve to have a superstar. There are five magpies. Very good. That's great, Alex. So magpies are birds and they can fly. Can you please say that one again, Alex? Magpies are birds that can fly. Again, magpies are birds that can fly. Great job. So very good, Alex. So, and aside from magpie, we also have another kind of bird. What bird is it? It's a penguin. Very good, great job. I also have here a picture of a. This is a penguin. So, actually, I have a talking pen. So I'm going to click on the words.
Welcome to the world of audiobooks.
All right, so I'm going to point the pen on the word and um, it's a again.
Penguin.
All right,
Penguin.
all right. So it's a again a
Bye bye. See
penguin.
you next
All
time.
right. So that's another picture of a penguin. So this is a penguin again. What is that? All right, great job. So that's a penguin. So by the way, how many penguins are there? Can you please count that one, Alex? Right, so you can look at the picture and Alex, and again, tell me if how many penguins are there. There are. All right, excellent. There are again two penguins. Great job. So again, one again, Alex. Penguins are birds. Again. Penguins are birds. Very good. Great job. So this time you're going to find the correct wing of the penguin. So you can take your time right now. Right? Either are three options on the picture or choices. So which one is the correct wing of the penguin? All right. Very good. Great job. So the last choice or the last option is the correct wing of the penguin. Very good. So another superstar for you, Alex. So we have penguins are birds that cannot fly again. Penguins are birds that cannot fly. Great job. So we learn from our lesson today that there are two birds. We have magpies and penguins. So magpies can fly, but penguins cannot fly. Again, magpies can fly, but penguins cannot fly. Alright, great job. So penguins cannot fly. So this time we're going to answer the question in a complete sentence. I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to answer that one in a complete sentence. So I know you can do it this time, Alex. So the first question is, can penguins fly? So what's your answer, Alex? All right, great job. So again, penguins cannot fly. So how about, are magpies birds? Next question, are magpies birds? What's your answer? All right, great job. So magpies are birds. So we'll learn from our lesson today that again, magpies can fly, but penguins cannot fly. So there are birds that can fly, but there are also birds that cannot fly. So there's a question. Do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Oh, I I guess what you are thinking is this kind of bird. So what bird is this? It's an ostrich. Very good, great job. So ostrich are birds that cannot fly like penguins. All right, very good. So you're learning too fast this time, Alex. So thank you for your time and thank you for listening. I hope and I pray that you can come to my class tomorrow for our new lesson. All right, have a great day. Bye bye. So these are the requirements if you want to apply Lingostar. Then for their hiring process or application process, first they're going to check on your basic information and then they're going to test your device or the laptop that you are going to use. After that one, you're going to present or upload your sample demonstration. Is a short demo to showcase your teaching skills. And after that, there will be a training. And during the training, there are two demos that you're going to present. You want to apply at Lingostar. I'm gonna put my link and also my referral code on this video.